Guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and if you're not new here, welcome back. I'm excited to have you. If you've seen my previous video, then you've learned about the supplement that you didn't know was a good supplement for beauty. And today I wanted to talk about something that's well known, that's kind of considered for beauty, but I wanted to share it in a different capacity because typically, and we're talking about collagen. I mean, obviously everyone knows about collagen and how good it is for the skin, but there are different ways in which you can intake collagen. And so I wanted to share one of my favorite ways to take collagen, and I wanted to share it with you all because it's pretty tasty. So like I said, collagen is widely known for its benefits to skin and having beautiful skin. But there are so many different ways in which you can take collagen. There is a supplement form, there's just liquid form, there's powder form, and then there's like drink form. And today I wanted to share one of my favorite products and my favorite way to take collagen. And it's actually by Primal Kitchen. And this stuff right here is so good, like good. So I've taken collagen in many different ways. I've taken it in liquid form, which is just like, you know, a flavored liquid. I've taken it in pill form. I've taken it in, I guess those are like the main two ways in which you can take it. But I prefer this form because, one, this is a tasty way of taking it. I mean, obviously, and you can mix it in with like different proteins and greens and things like that. But honestly, it is very tasty on its own. And any way that you can take supplements that taste good, I mean, why not? If you see my previous videos, then you know that I am a big proponent that beauty starts from the inside. And so taking supplements and eating healthy, sleeping right, sleeping well, eating right, and doing those kind of things, exercising, are great ways to ensure that you have healthy skin and then in turn beautiful skin. For me too, I'm very sensitive to taking things like this because typically with a lot of things that are like in forms like this, they add a lot of things. It has a lot of additives, and I oftentimes have reactions to them because I'm very sensitive. I'm highly sensitive to foods. I'm a celiac and I can't have dairy and all sorts of things. But this I actually do well with, and that's one of the things about it is that it's gut friendly as well. And so even with someone as sensitive as I am, I can actually take this with no problem. And so the serving size for this is 2 scoops, and for 2 scoops there's 140 calories in it. And so if you're looking to have a low cal type of drink, I would prefer, or I would recommend using 1 scoop, which is only 70 calories. And it's on par with a lot of the other collagen drinks that are not as tasty. I'll just say that they're not as tasty as this one, and it's right on par as far as calories, because one of the things that I do consider is caloric intake, because you know, we don't want to just add things because it's great and it has collagen in it, and then we put on some lbs, unnecessary lbs, you know what I mean? So this is great that it's low in calories, considering not only is it got collagen for your hair, skin, and nails, but I also take it because I'm a runner. I take it for joint support as well. But it has 20 grams of protein. Now this is 20 grams of protein for the 2 scoops. So if you take 1 scoop for the 70 calories, it's 10 grams of protein, which is not bad at all. So definitely a great product, very clean considering the other products that are out there. I am very meticulous about what I put in my body, and I recommend this product because it's pretty clean. And so it's a great way to get your collagen. It's a great way to get some protein in there as well. Talking about one of the supplements that is very widely known for beautiful skin, collagen, and taking it in different forms, I definitely recommend this form. This flavor is vanilla coconut. Delicious, delicious. And then you mix it with like some unsweetened almond milk. Just divine, divine. So I wanted to offer a different way of taking collagen, and there's several good products as far as like taking in collagen. I also take collagen in pill form as well, and I might share that supplement in another video. But I wanted to share this one because I think it's a really great product. For one, it's clean, it's a great way and a delicious way to get your collagen, and why not? It's a great product, and so I wanted to share that. That's all I have for today. I just wanted to share that product there, and if you're interested in learning about like different recipes in which you can use this product, definitely let me know down in the comments below. And if you like this video, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up, and I invite you to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, peace.